iba-iba yung types of texture. Dito sa part na to, sa may shoulder, mas malaki yung pattern ng texture niya. Dito sa may biceps, mas fine. Okay? Eyes are large enough. Maganda yung wala lang siyang alt head, no? Pero okay lang. Pronounced din yung nose, large eyes, and then you have the hoodie. Hindi nga lang ito cloth ha. Sculpted siya dun sa body. Tapos yung kanyang hoodie na ties, naka-sculpt na rin. Hindi nyo rin siya ma-adjust. Pero ang ganda ng appearance niya. Naka-sculpt na dun sa action figure yung sleeveless na hoodie. Tapos for better articulation, nilagyan din nila ng butterfly joints. Tapos ganda rin ng proportion ni Spider-Man sa ZD Toys. Then you have the belt, very intricate belt actually. May mga holsters, tapos may mga some sort of silver bullets. May mga pouches din. Dito may horizontal pouch, dito may mga vertical pouches. Tapos sa kanyang gauntlet, you have a number. Dami niyang silver na bullet type of accessories. Tapos dito sa kanyang legs, very muscular legs. Yung kanyang build dito, hindi siya super slim. Nasa medium build yung body type niya. Okay, tapos you have the knees. Meron ding knee pads. And, knee pads pa to. Hindi, knees niya na to eh. Tapos, meron ding belt or ankle belt. Then yung shoes niya, meron ding to articulation. Merong black na trim sa ilalim for better grip. Okay, for articulation, head can look up like that. Very nice. Look down, 360. Tilt that far. Cool. Butterfly joint, in, out, 360 yung kamay. Arms can go up like that. Okay, pwede rin i-rotate. Walang cut dito sa part na to, do sa bicep. Double jointed elbow, ball joint yung kamay. Can do some stretches. Ab crunch like this. Okay, tapos yung paa can move down. Kick that far, back kick that far, can move out. Double jointed knee, and ball jointed yung paa. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir ang ating review ng ZD Toys 110 scale Scarlet Spider na suit, na action figure. Thank you very much again, Laruanan, for this very, very cool na action figure for unboxing and review. Punta lang kayo sa Laruanan kung gusto nyo makabili ng Scarlet Spider. Thank you very much for watching. Nga pala, 1,450 ang price nito mga ma'am sir. Okay? Check out na sa Shopee. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!